would like to ask you, Mr. Minister, if you would tell us how you think the Syrian situation is going to evolve, and also what role is Iran playing with respect to internal affairs in Syria?
Listen, I have to be honest. Syria is not a democratic regime. Defending the Syrian regime is not easy. But if you can point out another to any democracy in the Middle East, I'll be happy to know. Yes, the Syrians have their problems. If we need to change what's happening in Syria by force, I do not know. It is interesting to listen to the West in trying to describe, the Syrian regime. I am, as I said before, not trying to defend the Syrian regime at all. But is there more democracy if we compare, say, Syria, I don't know, to Bahrain or to Saudi Arabia? I don't know which country is more democratic. This is, a question everyone should ask themselves. Do we need to do something about what's happening in Syria? We certainly do. There should be a change in Syria. Definitely there should be a change in Syria. But then again, the rest of the Arab world is not more democratic than Syria. This does not mean in any way or form that the Syrians should continue what they were doing. This regime is about 40 years old now, more than 40 years old. So in answer to your question, we need a serious change in the whole of the Middle East. We need a more democratic Middle East. And as I said in my speech, I think we need to ask the Americans not to deal with politicians with question marks around the way they run their countries. Democracy, as I said again, is not a simple event, it's a continuous process. And yes, we do need more democracy in the Middle East, but let us agree properly on what should be done in the Middle East. I don't think, a civil war. Let's take Iraq as an example. Okay, we got rid of Saddam Hussein, who was probably the worst tyrant humans have seen for a long, long time. What's happening in Iraq now? Is it a democratic country? So, we need to think, give ourselves time to try to sort the problems out.